how to sign in Among Us. So let's get started. So if you want to sign into your Among Us account, then what you can do is first of all install your Among Us application. So in order to install it, you just have to open up your Play Store and then just install Among Us. And after installing it, just simply open up your Among Us application. And after opening up your Among Us, just tap on I understand. And after tapping on I understand, now what you have to do is, in order to sign into your account, you have to select your email. So here you will find this email. So if you want to select this one, then what you can do is just simply tap on that drop down arrow and then select some other emails that are in your account or in your device. So just simply select one, and after selecting it, just tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, now you have successfully signed in to your account. So in this way you can also sign into your Among Us account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign in Among Us. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.